Hey guys, welcome back to Alfaro Garage. And we finally have the 305 mounted. I'm going to start taking it apart, getting everything off. Probably pressure wash it because that's pretty nasty there. Get everything cleaned up, see how it looks on the bottom side. And if it's all good, then we'll keep rolling and chugging with this motor. And if not, then out it goes. There'll be a core, whatever, I don't care. This guy here is going to be pulled out. It's going to be carbureted with the Vortec heads. That's what we're planning on. Keep this build simple and cheap. All right, so now we're down to our long block, or whatever, small block. Bare. We're at bare basically. Still got our spark plugs in. That's why it's kind of hard to turn a little bit. But I was using that to get the bolts off. Up here is a little dirty. You know, couldn't tell if it was ashy or if it was metal flakes. You can still kind of, yeah, you see what I'm talking about there. I think that's metal flakes. I'll end up cleaning this out, cleaning all this out. Valves are, the heads are a little dirty. Got some gunk in there. That might have been from that though. Nothing crazy though. So far, I'm not entirely disappointed. I expected a lot worse, but that's just the head part of it. Nothing looked like it was snapped. Nothing was broken. So who knows? Top end's probably good, but I know it's the bottom end that we're gonna have to be worrying about. So eventually here, I'll flip this around, start unbolting the pan, and we'll take a look. Here we go. Oil pan's off. Lots of sludge. That's a lot of metal shavings. A lot. Yeah, I don't even think that's the bottom of the pan yet. Yeah, that is the bottom of the pan. That's a lot right there. Yep, real metallic-y. So, hopefully, it's not that bad. Probably will be. But we'll see. Still got a little bit more to go before you find out the exact cause. Got some more of this to take apart. Overall, doesn't seem too bad. I mean, too bad meaning doesn't seem too bad, meaning me doing this job hasn't been too bad. This has been pretty easy to get apart so far. Or the other side was. Just gotta put some MAN into it. So this side isn't too bad. A little bit of deposits here, some here, some here. Cylinders really don't feel too fucked up. This side was kind of nice, not really missing anything. I mean, you got some blockage. That's gasket though. This side's not that bad. Not that bad at all. Then when you come to this side, you get all fucked up. You get, ugh, look at that shit. Ugh, that's disgusting. See if I can do it again here. Ugh. Oh, that doesn't feel right at all. No, it does not. So that was pretty backed up. That's completely clogged, you know. Ugh. 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 This feels wrong. Ugh. Just all sorts of wrong. This is all the leftover of the gasket over there. But they weren't leaking. There was nothing leaking. Everything seemed pretty good. Could probably use a resurface. That's probably for sure. And a good cleaning that I cannot do in this garage. Same thing here. You can just kind of tell this is leftover. Cool. Actually, they don't feel like oil. Might be. No, that's oil. So then it's got to be these two cylinders here that failed, which were my suspicion. I don't know if the time lapse got it, but I was putting that little plate that goes on the bottom of the oil pan. I was putting that there, and it looked like, you know, the shavings were sloshing out from here. Yeah, the cylinders don't look bad though. But those oil rings probably fucking went. They probably full sent them, you know what I mean? We'll see. Once we start taking everything else out. This thing probably be a lot easier now to turn around. I about threw my back out doing it the second time. Okay, so we have everything pulled off and cleaned up. Not cleaned up, but pulled out. The cylinder walls don't look too bad to me. They look fairly clean. They got some stuff in there from removing them. They're not all gouged up or anything like that. Nothing I can catch on my finger or my fingernail. So I'm assuming they're pretty decent. This thing had an oil pressure issue because you can see on a lot of these, they're pretty fucked up. This one's probably one of the worst ones. That's from the inside and out. That was coming off. That's pretty beat down over there. These two were leaking from, oh no, I'm sorry, this one and this one were, those were leaking from up there. And then here we go, here's the crankshaft bearings, and those, every single one of those are fucked up. The cam's toast. I mean, I don't know if it can be machined out, but I also don't know if I want to waste my money on that. I mean, this is pretty toast. This one you can feel the groove in the middle. This one's even worse. Let me get that one. Yeah, take a look at that. That guy's bad. Toasted. Cam looks good, cam bearings look good, but that's about it. So now we just gotta decide what we're gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this motor, put it back together just for experience, and then turn it as a core and go get something else. That's probably likely, but we'll see. I got some decisions to think of and make.